Hello dear 10 ICSE students, now here I have come up with a video on photosynthesis. Let's start. Chlorophyll is present in the grana of chloroplast. Yes. The specific function of light energy in the process of photosynthesis is to reduce carbon dioxide, synthesize glucose, activate chlorophyll, split water. Yes, activate chlorophyll. Which one of the following would not be a limiting factor for photosynthesis? Would not. Read the question carefully. Oxygen, light, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. Obviously, oxygen is not a limiting factor. A cell that lacks chlorophyll does not liberate, lacks chloroplast, does not liberate oxygen. Because it will not have chlorophyll, it cannot do photosynthesis, cannot make food, and so it cannot give out oxygen. Which would do maximum harm to a tree? Loss of half of its branches, loss of half of its flowers, loss of all its leaves, loss of a little bark. Obviously leaves नहीं होगा तो chlorophyll नहीं होगा, photosynthesis नहीं कर पाएगा plant. NADP is expanded as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Option B is a correct option. I repeat, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay. Next question. A plant is kept in a dark cupboard for about 48 hours before conducting an experiment on photosynthesis to remove starch from the plant. Yes, to destarch it. We do this at the beginning of the destarching experiment. Okay. Now, do you know what is compensation point? Compensation point means it is a condition in which rate of photosynthesis is equal to the rate of respiration. Option C. Okay, this is important. Compensation point. Rate of photosynthesis is equal to the rate of respiration. नोट कर ले इसे अपनी डायरी में, फॉर्मूला डायरी में. The production of starch and not glucose is often used as a measure of photosynthesis in leaves because option A, starch is an immediate product of photosynthesis. Glucose is formed in photosynthesis and soon gets converted to starch. Yes, starch is a storage food in plant. It is a plant storage food. Photosynthesis में ग्लूकोज फॉर्म होता है और एक्सेस ग्लूकोज स्टार्च के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है. So this is an important pointer. Please note it down. The rate of photosynthesis is not affected by light intensity, humidity, temperature, carbon dioxide. Humidity ट्रांसपरेशन को अफेक्ट करता है, फोटोसिंथेसिस को नहीं. ठीक है. Which one of these reaction occurs during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized. Yes, carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized to oxygen and carbon dioxide is reduced to glucose. देखिए, रिडक्शन का मतलब होता है एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. तो यहाँ H ऐड हो गया एंड water is oxidized to oxygen, means this is removal of hydrogen only. Okay, so option A is a correct option. We don't need to go through other points, but you should always read all the 4 options before taking the correct option. Carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized. Okay, so please go through these questions and I hope this video will be useful to you all, and keep practicing, keep sharing, keep watching, keep liking. Bye bye.